Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two fantastic cameras, the cinematic powerhouse, the Sony ILME-FX3, and the versatile and budget-friendly Canon EOS R50. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your camera bag. Let's kick things off with the elephant in the room, the price. The Sony ILME-FX3 is priced at $3,899, which many reviewers feel is worth it for its high-quality features and performance. On the flip side, the Canon EOS R50 comes in at just $799, making it a great option for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the R50, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. Now, let's talk about the sensors. The Sony FX3 features a 4K full-frame sensor with over 15 stops of dynamic range, which many users rave about for its cinematic quality and low-light performance. In contrast, the Canon R50 has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is praised for everyday photography but doesn't quite match the f.x abilities for professional video production, especially in challenging lighting conditions. When it comes to video capabilities, the FX3 can shoot up to 4K 120p in 10-bit 4:2, a feature that reviewers love for its professional quality output. The Canon R50, while able to shoot 4K uncropped at 30 FPS, is seen as more limited compared to the FX3 for serious videography. Users suggest that the R50 is great for casual filming, but the f.x3 truly shines for high-end productions. Let's talk autofocus. The f.x3 has impressive autofocus capabilities, but the Canon R50's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covers 100% of the frame with 651 AF zones, which reviewers appreciate for tracking subjects effectively. This makes the R50 a fantastic choice for vlogging and casual shooting, while the FX3 is preferred by professionals who need precision in more complex shooting environments. In terms of design and usability, the FX3 is compact with a cage-free design and XLR top handle, ideal for serious filmmakers. Reviewers highlight its sturdy build and user-friendly features. The R50, on the other hand, is lightweight and perfect for travel, with an advanced A+ assist mode that makes it easy for beginners to use. Its design is praised by users who appreciate its portability and ease of use. Overall, the Sony ILME-FX3 is highly regarded for its professional video capabilities, low-light performance, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for serious filmmakers. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners, making it a great entry-level option. So there you have it. If you're looking to make Hollywood-quality films and don't mind the price, the Sony ILME-FX3 is your best bet. But if you want a reliable, versatile camera without breaking the bank, the Canon EOS R50 is calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description below.